Logo, an L and a G in a red circle. Text, LG. Life's good.
Explaining and resolving an E6 error code on an LG washing machine.
E6 displays in the top right-hand corner of the washing machine.
If your LG top-load washing machine is displaying an E6 error code, this indicates an error with the clutch.
A red circle highlights the clutch in the bottom of the washing machine.
An E6 error can occur when a coin or foreign object is stuck between the pulsator and the tub.
A penny falls underneath the tub.
To resolve the issue, first remove every item in the wash tub. Then look inside the washer to check the bottom. Check the seam between the drum and the pulsator to see if an item such as a coin, string, or paper clip is stuck there. If any item is found, use a pair of pliers to remove it.
A person removes the penny using pliers.
If you need further assistance, go to lg.com/us/support.
Logo, an L and a G in a red circle. Text, LG. Life's good. Learn more at lg.com.